Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my review of the Redragon M606 Nothosaur which you guys voted for. Fun fact, a Nothosaur was like a malnourished crocodile millions of years ago that grew up to 3 meters in length, but compared to crocodiles, its main diet were supposedly fish and squid. So yeah. So this is one of Redragon's cheapest gaming mice at 610 pesos at Lazada. But what do you get at that price? Unboxing it, you get the mouse itself and a manual. Pretty straightforward. The M606 has an optical sensor which Redragon didn't specify. 1000 up to a 3200 dpi setting, 500 Hz polling rate, 10G acceleration, 6 total buttons, and a 6 feet braided cable. The M606 weighs about 120 grams, 125mm long, 79mm wide, and 36mm tall. I'm assuming this is compatible with Windows 7 to 10 but not sure about Windows 2000 or XP since Redragon didn't really specify anything in the box. So the two things I don't like about it is one, it doesn't have RGB. So you won't be able to customize the lightings, which is understandable considering the price. And two is the position of the DPI button, which is a bit further back than I would like, so it can be annoying to change the DPI settings, especially when in-game. I love the design and ergonomics of the M606. Really comfortable to use, actually fits my hand perfectly, and obviously only meant for right-handed use. So any type of mouse grip works with this, and while it's plastic, build quality is actually quite good considering the price and doesn't feel all that cheap in the hand. So you have your usual layout of buttons, right and left buttons, light up rubberized scroll wheel, DPI button, and the side, back, and forward buttons. You have a light up Redragon logo and LED strips. All the buttons are nice, clicky, and offers good actuation force, including the side buttons and scroll wheel button. Under the mouse, you have 3 smooth Teflon feet. As you saw earlier, the braided cable is red and black, so that's something you need to consider if you're planning on buying this and your setup has no red in it. And this has a gold-plated USB connector. The side forward button is textured, which honestly I think is not necessary, and on either sides there are textured grips. As I said earlier, there's no RGB. So you're stuck with red 1000 dpi, blue 1600, green 2400, and purple 3200. And you can't customize anything since there's no software for this, which I'll get to in a bit. So what's it like using it? Surprisingly good. Compared to other budget gaming mice I've used in the past in this price point, this is by far the best. No latency and tracking is quite accurate. Use a mousepad as gliding isn't as smooth on a hard surface. The M606 has a 10G acceleration, so fast mouse movements isn't an issue, and it has about a 1.5mm lift-off distance. So this is actually a good mouse for FPS games. Having a 500 Hz polling rate wasn't an issue for me, as even compared to the Raktalum, which is twice its price, I didn't notice a huge difference in tracking when comparing them, but of course the Raktalum is still a better performer, but not by a lot. So as of making this video, I couldn't find a software for this. I actually tried every one of Redragon's mouse software, but none of them worked. I think this has a software since they indicated in the box that the two side buttons are programmable and the lights can be customized through the software. I'm not sure. If you guys have any idea about this, then leave it in the comments. But yeah, conclusion. If you can get over the fact that there's no RGB, no software to customize the DPI settings, and a red and black but braided cable, then the M606 is a gaming mouse I can easily recommend to anyone, especially if you're a budget conscious person. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to buy the Redragon M606. So that's gonna do it. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Leave a like, dislike if you feel like you have to, and if this is your first time to the channel, then consider subscribing. As always, bookmark and use my Lazada affiliate link and donate to my Patreon to support the channel. Also, follow me on Twitter for updates and announcements. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.